following is a routine weekly test for the following counties in Tennessee: Dixon, Montgomery, Robertson, and Stewart, and the following counties in Kentucky: Christian and Todd. This is a test of the NOAA radio warning alarm device and emergency alert system. During potentially dangerous weather situations and civil emergencies, specially equipped receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending danger. A test of these receivers is conducted every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, weather permitting. In the event of the test being canceled, it will then be rescheduled for the next day between 11 a.m. and noon.
So tomorrow?
This is NOAA Weather Radio Station West, H37, operating 24 hours a day on the frequency of 162.50 megahertz, with transmitting facilities in Montgomery County. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service Office located near Nashville.
Oh.
This service is provided in part by the Metropolitan Nashville Office of Emergency Management. This has been a test of the NOAA Weather Radio warning alarm device.
I don't like that.
Dangerous weather situations, specially equipped receivers are automatically activated to warn of impending danger.
That crushes my plans.
For severe weather watches and warnings, or civil emergencies,
Hey,
affecting the Middle Tennessee
tests
counties
are
of Dixon,
tests.
Montgomery, Robertson, and Stewart, and the Kentucky counties of Christian and Todd. This concludes the test of the NOAA Weather Radio Warning Alarm Device and Emergency Alert System. We now return you to regular programming.